cracking. Right, take the back in. And out. Nice. Really nice. Okay, lay on this side. Okay, that's real tight. No. This side. Is that really tight? Not, I would say more than usual. Alright, I've been sick though, so I don't know if just kind of congested. No, usually I get some good. So I might do some more digging. Okay. Cause it seemed like the whole muscle was just like, alright. You've been sick.
You know, and it's terribly. It's just, I mean, you can kind of hear it, but I feel like I sound worse than what I actually feel.
Okay. Your muscles are tight.